To the members of the Africa for the Africans Tours and Investment, this is the high school. Yesterday, you had an opportunity to travel to Agogo to see the nursery, the primary, and the junior high school. So when those students have finished, they're expected to come to attend this high school here. And one of the ancestors that I follow is Mary McLeod Bethune. Almost in her footsteps, she started off with a small girls' school in Daytona, Florida. And from that, you have Bethune-Cookman College today. So hopefully, that's the track that I'm on. I have enough examples to follow. And that is what we are here to do. Our mission is to provide a modern education to youth in rural villages that otherwise would not have an opportunity to learn classes like digital multimedia, environmental science. Our goal is to produce the next batch of leaders, warriors for Ghana. And prior to W.E.B. Du Bois's son, David Du Bois, which was my mentor in university, dying, when I asked permission from my elders in America, they told me that this was in fact one of the most important things that we can contribute or give back, and that's to help educate and teach schools. Martin Luther King said this in 1957 when he encouraged us to come back to Ghana to help our brothers and sisters. If you look around the walls of the school, I actually have Bomani in mind, and I wanted to paint a picture, but the artist couldn't find a picture on Facebook. But I'm gonna definitely do that in the classroom. I told them that's what we would save the classroom's walls for. But what you have is our story written along the walls in a succinct way. If you take a look at this wall, I remember when Musa first finished the wall and all of the community people came and was debating on who the men on the wall were. So since this art has gone on the wall, it has inspired a conversation in the community. But it is important for people to know our story, because just like many of us don't know about Africa, many of our brothers and sisters that are sitting here today have no clue who you are. They don't know the difference between a white person and you. They just think foreign stranger to the land. So the more of us that come back and the more of us that they see, the better they will learn who we are and what the story really is. So Bomani, before I turn the mic over to you, I'm going to hand it over to Mr. Victor so that he can interpret what I've just said. And then I'll give you guys an opportunity to speak, and then we got a little surprise for you again.
The African Americans now, my buyer Yahofono. They all kind of say, or Dominasi. Now, I know bedding it at home, as a figure, Facebook. And you know, we are home before we say, Yana, every funny as we say, oh, you say, I'm not from Kwan, so you are going to go camp with the young, so I'm not to say, and you all kind of say, or Dominasi. Now, Ubia and ya they say Ubia and Kosovo is cool. Done now.
Okay, thank you. So Bomani, before we get started, we have a surprise for you. Are we ready? Ago? Ago? Okay, you. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday